Good morning, everyone. Oh, the light. Well, good morning, good morning. This is Leonard McDonald, and welcome to episode 5 of Coffee Run. Now, Coffee Run is just where I take you guys on a little journey with me on my way to pick up some coffee, and I drop some business tips for you. So if you're interested in starting your own business, or you're already a business owner, make sure you check in regularly because I do an episode every single day. So today's topic is actually one I've been looking forward to. It's dreams. And I think dreams are amazing because if you really take the time to think about it, like when you, and I'm talking about not like what you're in pursuit of as in your dream, but when you actually lay down, close your eyes and go to sleep and you dream, like that's your dream. No one else is having that dream, only you are. And so that lets you know right there just how unique you are because only you are having that dream, nobody else is. So if you take that and you transpose it now to your external dreams, the things you want to accomplish, the goals you have, it gives you a better perspective of just how important you are. Because with those dreams, only you have them, so only you can really bring them to pass the way that it was designed to, because again, it was just yours. And there are dreams out there or things that people accomplish and people copycat and things of that nature. And I've been, I had someone's copied my thing before. But the thing is, their copy is different. No one else knows the intricate details of what it is that you're dreaming. So that's why it's really important to understand how unique and what that means for you in your dream. Because no one's going to treat your dream or love your dream the way you do. And they may be behind you 100%, they may support you, they may be there, but there's no way for them to because only you know it intricately. They only know the details that you shared with them. And so they may be on board with those things and they may be right beside you, but because they don't know the full entire picture, there's no way for them to actually love it and care for it the way you do. So it's up to you to make sure that you're putting the time and the effort into your dream that you should, because you and your dream are a relationship, So like if you were your dream, right? You were in a relationship. So you were your dream and someone was treating you the way you treat your dream. Like how do you feel? Like do you feel like you're important or do you feel insignificant? And I say these things because the moment that you start understanding exactly what it is and how grand it is to actually have a dream and to actually start working towards it and working to making it happen, like a whole new world opens up to you. So that's why I'm really excited about this, is because I want you guys to really put some time and effort into your dreams today, and not just today, but moving forward, like 10, 15 minutes at least, just writing something down about your dream, fleshing it out, because if you're not putting any time and effort into your dream, you can't really get mad when people knock your dream, because in a sense, you're knocking it yourself. So really wanted to get that out there, and tomorrow, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to have like a brainstorming session. So as people come on, I just want people to throw out their ideas, throw out some stuff, and we're just going to talk about a way to really take it to the next level. If you have questions, I'll be answering those. But I just want you to have an avenue and a support system. Just knowing that someone is going to take your dream seriously so that you can begin to, be in pursuit of making it happen. So that's about it for today. I already looped around this. I need to go back this way. Head to Dunkin', Dunkin' and me, we're real cool. But enjoy your day. Write your dreams down. Put some effort and time into fleshing it out, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.